Nung unang dumating si Yana dito, very quiet siya. Pag tinanong mo, hindi sumasagot ng salita. Pag oo, ganyan. Pag hindi, ganyan. Hanggang dun lang.
We can leave the Christmas lights until January.
Yana, when she was young, she is not really shy. Every time she's coming with me sa elevator. When I say hi to them, said hi. When I say, sayaw ka, sayaw siya.
Sumatayo yun sa lamesa.
Magaling siyang sumayaw as usual, as always.
I want you to do something with your life and pursue your dream.
Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever and I take
Choose whatever path that you will choose. Sana ang i-choose mo is the right path. Surround yourself with the right people and you can never go wrong. Appreciate the people around you and the people who love you. Okay?
just for me and not every table will save you see lover. Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever and I take me out, take me home. You're mine.
Happy birthday, ate. Sana wag mo na ako kasarin. Love you.
Hopefully, you become a very successful person in your life, in your career, in your love life.
Lover.
Please welcome our debutante, Yana Cassandra Averino.
Hi, come here. This is my daughter. Okay.
You want to say something to Ate Yana, okay? Always think of the time. Always be productive. Always have a full, when you say full, grateful, mindful, and what? Prayerful.
Yeah, we shine like gold. Shine like gold. Shine like gold. Shine like gold. Sweet life. Ain't nothing but blue skies, blue skies.
I wish her all the luck. No? Kasi nasa crossroad siya ng adulthood and being or having been a teenager.
Shine